This tutorial review will show you how to protect Gmail account. Step 1. Do a security checkup. So first of all, open myaccount.google.com and log into your Google account here. Then click on security. And we need to turn on two-step verification. So click on two-step verification and then click on get started. To continue, give your Gmail account password and click on next. And now here you will get your device. Now click on continue and enter here your mobile number and how do you want to get code. You can select text message or phone call. Then click on send and you will get a verification code to your phone number. All you have to do is just enter the code here and click on next. Click on turn on. See, I've successfully turned on two-factor or two-step verification. Once done, click on back. So this was the first step to secure your Google account. And the second step is use a strong password. So click on the password field and change your password. You have to use a strong password here. So change your password. And the third step is you have to add a recovery email address or recovery phone to your Google account. And the fourth step is remove risky access to your data. To better protect sensitive information, review which apps can use your account info and remove the ones you don't need. To do that, select the security tab and scroll down. And here you will find this option, third-party apps with account access. So click on manage third-party access. And now remove those access you don't need or you don't trust. And the last and final step is remove apps or browser extensions you don't need. As more apps are installed on a device, it can become more risky. On devices that have access to sensitive information, only install the apps and browser extensions you need. So click on this three dot and click on more tools and go to extensions. And from here, remove unwanted extensions. So that's how you can protect your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.